There are thousands of restaurants all across the Houston metro area, but the real question is, how many of them are actually hidden gems? We're always searching for those low-key, out-of-the-way spots, the ones that don't get the hype but absolutely deserve it. And today, we didn't have to go far at all. Right here on our side of town, we found a combo that instantly caught our attention. A classic Italian restaurant, and just across the street, a sweet shop to finish it all off. Now that sounds like a perfect food run. So today, we're checking out Original Napoli Italian Restaurant, and right across the street, Sweet Spot Cafe. And if both of these deliver, we might have just found a double hidden gem in South Houston. Now let's see if these spots can live up and deliver on the hype. All right guys, so the mozzarella sticks just came out. I'm gonna take a dip. It's good, but
your salad over there.
I'm not used to this crust. Go ahead. So the crust is a different type of crust. I've never had that taste before, but I like it. I think it's pretty good. All right, guys, you got me. So the pizza finally showed up, and it looks fantastic. We ordered a small because we already had some bread, but this looks good. It smells really good, and I'm gonna take a quick bite and let you know what it tastes like. That's good pizza. Cooked perfectly. The cheese is perfectly melted. The sausage on there tastes good. This is good pizza. All right, guys. So that dinner at Napoli was fantastic to me. Now, just to be honest with you, the Alfredo sauce I thought was wonderful, but it's different from what wifey likes. She would have had something a slightly different texture and taste on the Alfredo, but I thought it was great. It was the creamiest Alfredo I've ever had. But now we got something else in store. We're getting ready to go try this sweet shop we've been looking at for a while. It's called Sweet Spot Cafe. You ready?
Yes.
We'll get something to sit on the patio. Let's go. We've been driving past this sweet shop for months now, and today we finally made it inside. And let me tell you, the moment you walk through that door, the smell of fresh coffee hits you, mixed with warm sugary sweets in the air. Instantly, you know you're in the right place. Then you look over at the display case and it's game over. Rows and rows of desserts. Everything looking so good it makes you want to try all of it. But we had to show a little self-control. So we went with the chocolate cookies filled with raspberry and the almond cookies paired with vanilla gelato. And wow, that combination absolutely hit the spot. Sweet, rich, just the right amount of indulgent, exactly what you want to finish off a meal.
Okay. Don't play with your fiddle. It's actually really good. This is my first time having gelato. It's really good.
So I wanted to try one of these and see what it is. It's almond. That's different. That's a little, it tastes sweet. That's pretty good. The chocolate tastes like a coffee taste. And I guess that's raspberry in there. Now the crazy part is we actually asked for chocolate chip, but we got these, but it turned out to be a good thing. Oh, whatever that berry flavor is a really nice contrast to the chocolate. It's a good cookie. We had an amazing time checking out both of these spots. And honestly, it's places like this that remind us why we love doing what we do. The food, really good. But the service, that's what truly stood out. Big shout out to Benny over at Sweet Spot Cafe. He took time to walk us through the menu, explain everything in detail, and even invited us back to do a full feature video once Passover is done. So you already know, we'll definitely be back. If you enjoyed coming along with us on this one, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stick with us for more Houston local finds and Texas adventures. We'll see y'all in the next one.